Ooh, ooh, ooh. Screwed that up, didn't I? Good evening, YouTube. Island Biker here with a random catch-up, if you like. I've been off for a while and I'm hoping desperately to get something posted up quite soon. Anyway, hopefully by the time you're listening to this one, I have uploaded my bag review. My bag review. Uploaded the review for the Shad E22 tank bag. I've used it every day for work for the last 2 weeks now. I'm pretty impressed with it. Holds its shape quite nicely. I've not really ridden with it on the Tracer here, but it's on the FJR, sits really nicely. So quite happy with that. But I'm on the way out to help my wife set up her stall for a country show tomorrow. Thought I'd have a chat to you people while I'm on the run. I'm only running one camera at the minute, but that's okay. I'm not going to waffle too much. So it's Friday night. Well, Friday at like 5 o'clock or something. And the weather has come out of storm. It's only 22 degrees, but it's better than what we have been having the last couple of days. Not about that rain last weekend. I was at Carfest for that, and it absolutely stonked it down on the Sunday. Got a trip planned next weekend. Quite looking forward to that. So hopefully some good videos come out of that. We're heading up to Andover to meet a mate, and then we both got FJRs, and we're going to run them down to Cheddar Gorge. I haven't been there since I was a kid, so I'm quite looking forward to doing it on a motorcycle. As I remember, there are a few half decent roads there. Something different from the island anyway. So yeah, look forward to that. And I've just arranged a trip for next May to Le Mans for the MotoGP. A couple of days down there. Be interested in your thoughts on sailing routes. I think I'm doing Portsmouth to Cannes. I'm hoping for a couple of days to explore around the local area, but we'll see how that goes. The guy I'm going with is taking a Gixxer 1000, so that's going to be a right laugh. I've ridden that bike once, it terrified me then, and I'm sure it will terrify me again. Anyway, final stages of planning to be undertaken post-ale at the Shrewsbury Oktoberfest in October, obviously, because it's Oktoberfest. So yeah, looking forward to that. And it's such a nice evening, isn't it? I'm looking forward to riding in France, actually. So I've never ridden a motorcycle in France, but I find, certainly on this island, and you know, I'm from Devon, so it's there as well, are just, all the roads feel really enclosed. It's either houses or hedges. Just hedges up there, hedges up there. You know, it's difficult to see anything other than the 60 feet of road in front of you. So I'm looking forward to, certainly my experience of driving in France, I'm looking forward to, you know, being able to see a little bit more and a little bit farther. Oh man, I've had a rotten week at work this week, but it is just, I'm feeling it all slip away, just oozing out of me. All the badness and negativity from a week at work is just dripping away. So I'm wearing a new jacket. I've had this now for the summer. RST up there, I forget what it's called. And I bought it primarily because it was a vented jacket, let some air in, but didn't compromise safety really. It's got good good level of armour, back protection, solid material, all of that good stuff. And yesterday I dropped in the waterproof liner. So this jacket comes with 3 layers. There's the actual jacket itself, they call it like a Cinqua, yeah, it's on the label. Waterproof layer that zips out, and then you can zip in your Chinese fighting suit thermal layer in as well. So I guess it's a 3-season jacket. So I've done the summer season in it, and it was just brilliant. I love it's quite a sporty fit, fairly snug around the old midsection. I blame the ale, but it's just been brilliant. Let lots of air flow through. It wasn't ridiculously cold when the temperature dropped, because I do early mornings and late nights occasionally. But I zipped in the waterproof layer yesterday, not necessarily for the waterproofness, because I just put my touring jacket on if it's jacketed it down, but really just to kind of stop some of that wind getting through. And it's done a tremendous job. I did not feel it. I do not feel that wind at all. Although I will say, with the temperature picking up a bit, I can certainly feel that I'm wearing a waterproof layer right next to my skin that I'm not necessarily that chuffed about. But aside from that, brilliant jacket. Hey, buddy. Really impressed with it. So I might talk about that a bit more separately sometime. Look at that, a bit of hazy, but man, she's pretty. This is home. Interestingly, I had a pang for autumn yesterday. No, this morning, because it was quite crisp and cool, lovely blue sky, quite chilly. I wouldn't say cold, it was a bit chilly. And that just reminded me of autumn. I think it might be prudent to make the official seasonal change from white wine to red wine. From IPA to a darker ale. Don't get me wrong, I'm not wishing for snow or anything. Starting to notice the days are drawing in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I spent 6 years in Asia not so long ago, and it was pretty much 6 o'clock, it's daytime, and 6 p.m. it's night time, and the seasons were hot and wet, and that was about it. So here we are with defined seasonal changes. I like it, I missed it. And go! We do have some lovely roads on this island, but we are quite famous for holes and more holes. I haven't done any real mileage on the Tracer for a while, just the normal shuttle runs to hovercraft and house every day. Nice to get out and have a blast. This is naughty. But nice. As I say, I have no idea where I'm going. I mean, I know where I'm going, I just don't know, how all the roads join up between where I was and where I'm going to be. Yeah, apologies, I've only got the one camera on today. It was kind of a ad hoc, just get out, ride, talk and record something. So I didn't put fully camera up the bike. I should really just start fitting the mounts and leaving them on there so I can just clip in and out as required. I'll certainly look to do that in future. Pretty. Almost looks like Dartmoor, that. Moorland. It's lovely when it opens up. The hedges are lower or disappear completely, and you can just see stuff. It's nice. Tracer's too, either I'm too, yeah, feel comfortable stood up on this. I need to move the bars if I'm going to do this at all. I don't know what the big grump was for. Probably not going to waffle too much here. I think I'm just going to sit back. Well, not sit back, sit forward. Keep the weight over the front in this case, but yeah. Enjoy the ride.
Forget about signs and rules. Oh, the pavement and the long, long roads. Yeah, and you're always in such a rush. With your life playing from the stereo. Oh. But all alone, and you're always staring at your phone. You need another quick relief. We all need a turn and leave. Oh baby, this time will be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. Yeah. Too many fishes in the stream, and down the boulevard of broken dreams. So we make a little change in pace, a minor shift of time and space. Oh baby, this time will be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long. Oh baby, this time will be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long, all night long.